if you're watching this video, chances are you've seen a bunch of people in 2025, 2024 talking about AI, ChatGPT, automations, and all this crazy tech coming out right now, right? And you're probably wondering how you, an individual that has no coding skills, no business background, can actually make money with AI. Trust me, I've been there before. A couple years ago, I was like wondering what I could use or what I could create to start making money. And I think that's where we all get that's where we all go wrong is what I'm trying to say. I'm sorry about that. And most people think that they need to build or reinvent the wheel, build a new AI tool, the next this or the next chat GPT. And in hindsight, I don't think you should do that because a lot of people are building these softwares for you already. You could actually utilize these softwares to make more money is what I'm trying to say. Now, let's say, for example, you use a software that helps you with this and that thing solves this problem for a business owner. Now, what you end up doing is you end up reaching out to a business owner that doesn't have any skills, well, any marketing skills, what I'm trying to say, marketing or AI skills and stuff like that. And you ask him, hey, can I do this for you? And he needs help. He's going to pay you for that, right? So I think you just need to learn how to use tools to solve real life problems for business owners and offer that as a service. That's what I did, and that helped me make money and help other business owners make more money. Therefore, they'll pay you a certain percentage of what they make, or even pay you a retainer, whether that's a monthly retainer or set up a fee, and then therefore they pay a monthly retainer after that. Now, if I were to do this with no followers, no clients, no money, this is exactly what I would do. I would personally learn one tool. That one tool would basically help me do whatever I need to do, right? Now, for me, for instance, what I did was I learned one tool. It was a software that helped me help business owners automate their websites, their AI chat, their nurturing leads, have an AI chat talk to these leads. And after that, boom, that's your one software you're going to be utilizing for that one particular business. But now that's the thing. What business are you going to be working with? Now that's where we, the individual that are trying to learn how to do this, we end up trying to figure out what niche we should go into, whether it's, I don't know, it could be the gym niche, it could be dentists, local businesses, it could be, I don't know, anything like that is what I'm trying to say, right? And you find that specific niche, and that niche would basically, you would dive into that and solely focus on that niche so you could be an expert in that particular niche. And so once you do that, now the problem is we don't have any clients. Now that's where people end up losing themselves because they don't know how to get clients. Now, we could do the old-fashioned way, door knocking. I think anything organic right now would be perfect because most people run ads. Most people like to pay people. I don't think you should pay anybody, pay for ads, pay for any advertisement because you're barely learning, you're barely starting. So what I think you should do, the individual that is barely starting, you should reach out to people cold. What is cold? Door knocking, cold calling, cold emailing, walking into businesses. I actually walked into a business and asked them if they needed any marketing. They're like, oh, well, how old are you? I literally lied to them. I was like, I have a college project. I need help. I need to make this happen. And I got that one referral to help out another person. And they actually also gave me a testimony. And so what I'm trying to say is you could walk into a business. I mean, I look young. I'm 23. I look like I'm 12. But you could go into any business and talk to them and ask them, hey, do you need any help with this? And what I would personally do is get them results, get it for them for free, make everything easy, simplify everything, automate everything for the business owner so it could be easy, really easy for them. And yeah, they'll be willing to pay you for that. And not to mention, the software is going to be helping them out entirely with everything. You know, it'll help them automate everything. Therefore, they're going to have to keep paying you for that because you're making their life easier on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, on an everyday basis. You're helping them out to make their life a lot easier. And here's why this works. Most business owners don't know and don't even care about AI at all. They don't want to take the time to know the lead, to get more leads. And on top of that, it's less stress for them. That's why you, the individual that's trying to learn how to make money with AI, don't have to necessarily make the AI, but you can utilize a software to help them solve the solution of getting leads, getting this, getting that, and helping them automate their business. And the best part is you don't have to code. You don't have to learn any other tools. You just learn that one particular software that you want to nurture, but that one particular software you want to niche to, and get that software to get you to make more money is what I'm trying to say. And I feel like that's really easy and simple, yet not so simple, because the first step that everyone struggles with is taking that action. I think that's what messed me up personally. I always was like, oh, well, I need to make it happen. I need to make this happen. And unfortunately, my biggest thing that I messed up in was I was trying to learn. And unfortunately, I learned for like a year or two. Not even two, but a year. And this is what people call analysis paralysis, where you just solely focus on trying to learn the thing, learn the craft, that you never get the chance to actually take action into it. And that's what messed me up personally. And I think you should actually just take action. Learn it. Talk to a local business owner, the one in the corner store, the one 2 blocks away, a block away. It doesn't matter. 5 minutes away, take the drive, talk to them, ask them if they're trying to implement AI. I mean, I think there's a statistic that the average business owner is 60 years old. Bro, I've worked with people that don't even know how to use WhatsApp, and I contact my leads through WhatsApp, through messages, but solely focus on WhatsApp to, organize my stuff. And when I talk to them, they didn't know how to use WhatsApp. So if they don't know how to use WhatsApp, they're old, they're 60 years old. Not that that's old, but if they're 60 years old trying to learn how to use AI, I mean, I think they're solely focused on their business, that they don't want to implement AI. Therefore, you can go into the business and ask them, like, hey, are you trying to learn it? Take that action and ask them, hey, are you, like, look, I'm just starting, like, can I help you out with anything? I'll do everything for free. And when you tell them it's for free, they're not going to take a no for an answer. Like, it's free. Like, why would they say no? You know what I mean? Oh, there's some people that would say no, like, no, I'm not interested. I respect that, but I mean, I just think that you guys should just try it, implement it, take action. I feel a lot of people don't want to take action. Don't be like me, where I wasted a whole year trying to figure this out. Take action and implement it. And if you're honestly ready to learn more about this and you need help with anything, like even starting, I'm actually making a community right now. It's completely free. We hop on calls. I have actually a free course on how to actually do all this. And I drop content, weekly content. I will drop beginner-friendly content to actually take the step, the walkthroughs, and how to actually start making money with AI in 2025. And you can even be a freelancer. You don't have to necessarily make an agency. You could freelance your way there. And I'll drop the link in the description, guys. But yeah, man, my point is, anybody's able to make money with this. I feel like if me, an individual that I came from nothing, I didn't know anything. I actually I'm a college dropout. I went to trade school. And I was refusing to go to college. I really hate college, guys. I wasn't the smartest. But an individual like me that wasn't able to freaking... I went to high school. I was not even... Dude, I was dumb. I'm really dumb. An individual like me, to get to learn how to use a software. Imagine you using a software for 1 year, you learning how to utilize it very well, reaching out to other individuals that don't know how to use AI. You implement that software that you've been learning, the AI tool, implement that into the business. Now the business is going to be paying you for that because you learned this for a whole year, even 2 years. AI is the next big thing, guys. So for the next big year, you're going to be making money, guys. You learn this tool, implement it into businesses, and they pay you for what you're doing for them. Guys, it's not rocket science. It is hard, easy, yet so hard because you guys have to start. That's the thing. I'm going to be telling you this for the rest of my life. You guys have to start. I'm pretty sure 90% of you guys watching this will not start, but I'm telling you guys, please start. I was an individual that never started, but please start, guys. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Join my community if you guys want to start making money, completely free. And guys, with that being said, take care.